Triple B.
Man, while everybody else went to Golden Corral, I had to sit behind today, and they got Popeyes chicken. So we got some chicken today, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Welcome back, squad. I don't have a lot of time. We'll get into it. I got the two can dine for $9.99 special. We got some coleslaw, macaroni, mashed potatoes and gravy. We got a couple pieces of chicken. Some more is in the box, but this is all I put out on top. But welcome back, Triple B Squad. We're back, baby. But before I get started, I need y'all to do something for me.
What's that?
I need to give y'all this video a thumbs up. With comment down below, baby. And don't forget to share it out. Share it out. We're pretty much just gonna mukbang today because I don't have a lot of time. So we just here to eat some chicken. But I gotta make my money back, so I had to put out a video because I had to pay for my chicken. Everybody else got theirs for free. So yeah, we're gonna eat this chicken. I ain't put no hot sauce. You know, I want mine with the gravy. That's crazy.
Where the honey?
They didn't break that honey.
They ain't give us no honey?
Mm-hmm. No, they went through it all. It's crazy to do these little gravies for 99 cents. What you gonna do with them little gravies? We're gonna make it work today, y'all. How's it going for y'all? Chicken nice and fresh, y'all. This is the one time I wish I had some jalapenos. I don't get my spicy vinegar, so. I use that Louisiana hot sauce. I'm trying to eat because I cut the music off on them so I can eat. Then I can still film with y'all. I'm going to have to cut that back on soon because I don't want them getting mad at me. No microphone, so I know how good that crunch gonna be. I hope y'all had a good 4th of July. Nobody got hurt, no incidents or accidents. You know, me and Miss Shan did get a little news over the holiday weekend. It was unexpected. So just prayers for everybody out there who went through anything, experienced anything. A lot of our YouTube family members we just don't see anymore. And praying all you guys are doing well. Nice and juicy breast, actually. Hey, out of honey, trying more biscuits. More biscuits. I'd rather did this meal at home because I'm gonna tell myself I was gonna do one good fried chicken meal a month. It's been about a month since I had some chicken. So I'm definitely treating myself today. I wish I had me a tray in here. I had Crispies everywhere. Let's hit this mashed potatoes and gravy. Who got the best mashed potatoes and gravy? Yeah, I don't know. I think Church's got the best gravy. Just individual size, so this ain't nothing. ain't got no honey. So we're about to hit this biscuit with that gravy, with the grape jelly. Remember I tried to do a challenge where I challenge her eats. I eat 10 biscuits. I don't think I finished it. I'm not sure.
Sir, are you done with that?
It's good.
Oh.
Biscuits don't taste that dry today. I'm gonna save me a biscuit. I got a biscuit. They have one breast in there. A lot of stuff going on in the YouTube streets. People worrying about other people seems like it. They just mind their own business. I want to stay out of that. That's why they gave me spicy and original. I'm gonna bite it. It's all fresh. And normally I pick this up and bite into it. I don't know why I ain't doing it. I don't even know who picks their chicken like that. I'm just gonna take a bite. Yep, finish up these mashed and we out of here, y'all. Sharing my lunch with y'all. That was a peaceful lunch. Like I said, the clients actually went to the Golden Corral. It's only 10 of them stayed behind. Eat some of this coleslaw. I'm still doing KFC. Got the best coleslaw. Alright, y'all, I made a mess here, so I need to get out of here and get set up. Anyway, y'all, we're about to get up out of here, but before I do, I'm gonna need y'all to do something for me.
What's that?
I'm gonna need y'all to give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below, baby. And don't forget to share it out. Share it out. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Remember, guys, we woke up today. We are blessed. We have another chance to give it our best. Go out there and help someone become a better person and be the blessing that the world needs. Remember, if you don't love yourself, how you gonna love somebody else? Because it starts with you. I love you. Shannon loves you. We just ask that you love yourself. I'm out of here, squad. Peace.